Rainy days. Rainy days. Rainy days.
So we were gonna go do a fun vlog today and it's just raining. We wanted to go to Carowinds, but it's just raining.
Happy tropical storm.
So we're gonna go to the Augusta Mall and see if they have flounder, right? Is that flounder?
Flounder.
We're gonna go see if they have flounder. And then we're gonna go see Solo with some friends.
Yeah, I'm excited about that.
And then maybe if it stops raining later, we might go do something fun.
We'll see what happens.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby,
Ready to go find flounder?
Yeah.
you were. I'm mad.
We found him. He's so cute. I think we should get him.
Should I grab up Patty mayonnaise?
That's kind of cool.
Madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go.
So now we're on our way over to the Augusta Riverwatch,
Riverwatch Luxury Theaters.
and we're gonna go. What are we gonna go see, Jamie?
Solo, a Star Wars story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll let you know what we think whenever we get out. We're making a break for it.
That's funny.
Let's go. I think we're safe. I just stepped inside of a whole puddle.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love.
So how does it feel to be the captain of the new Millennium Falcon? No words?
With you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
I really like this movie theater. The line constantly moves. You're not having to wait. Yeah, you make your own drinks and you wait a second on popcorn. But compared to other theaters, like, this is amazing.
I'm madly in love with you.
Do you remember where our seats were? We gotta look at our seat number. G.
We are G10 and G11.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me.
Platform.
Yeah.
We have the double holder between us. Are you excited, Jamie?
I'm so excited.
Keep the Newbie Arcade app open
You ready
and
for
your
Han
thumbs
Solo?
ready to go.
I'm beyond
You're
ready.
gearing up for another game now.
To be real, I like that better than The Last Jedi because there was nobody floating through space half alive or dead. It was better.
I'm in love with you.
Concerned about my purse. To be
And then it's
very
like
honest with you.
9,000 degrees in the car.
Why is it so hot in here?
It's like cold rain.
It's so rainy.
And then you get in the car, it's like, oh, it's a sauna. I thought,
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me.
So we just saw Solo. It was good.
I liked it.
We liked it a lot.
Better than The Last Jedi.
I wouldn't say that, but I liked it.
Alright, so we're going to take advantage of this rainy day and go to a open air fresh produce market. It's covered. No, it's covered. It's not going to be bad. We've never been before, so we're about to go check that out. Should be fun. It's like raining here and there everywhere. It's very interesting because it's like, oh, it's raining. Oh, the sky's blue. Oh, nothing's going on. And then it's downpouring again.
And it's been like this for 2 weeks. And
Yeah.
it's probably going to be like this for another week. One good thing, we haven't had to water vegetables.
Like, at all. They just need some sun. Oh, there's blue sky right there.
So,
And it looks like a tornado over there.
all right, we'll see you in a minute.
Baby, you are. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me.
Differences in the features between the small ones and bigger, or they all look pretty much the same?
Say it again. You talking about between these?
Yeah, so these are all the regular, right?
Correct.
Where are the
Correct.
white peaches? Which ones are those?
Like white?
These.
Okay, well those over there are white on the
Those-
inside.
Okay.
Correct.
These are the normal ones that are.
Correct.
Got you. Cool.
Correct. These are grown in Ridge Spring.
Yep.
Right up the road. at
Right up the
Titans.
road. Yep. Which do you prefer?
I mean, I don't really eat those.
You
I
don't?
mean, I have before, but it's been a good little while. And personally, this is a peach. That is more like a pear, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It'd be like
So this is like sweeter and everything. Then.
Right.
Gotcha.
And I'm one of those people who has like a color and texture thing. And so if I'm used to, eating a peach and it tastes like this,
That's what you want instead of that.
I'm in love with you. Never, never let you go.
Do you hear that in the background?
Of all the things to happen to us, we got stuck in a produce tent. And it's lightning. It's storming.
The water is slowly approaching.
And it's flooding. Okay, so we just got home and all my packages are soaked. We're gonna open them.
We're also watching.
Oh, and we're watching Naked and Afraid
Yeah.
XL because we love that show. And we're-
Red boxes.
Like, seriously, look how wet this box is. It's like not even a box anymore. Rusty,
Hey dog.
what are you doing?
You
Like
helping?
they just put it on the porch underneath the edge of the building. They think this is a bark box.
I think they do think it's a bark box.
Ryder.
We used to get the dogs bark boxes and they get excited when we open boxes.
But don't feel bad for them because we bought them like 5 million Haida toys. Actually, we should show them. Oh, this is the little Haida thing we got for the dogs because we're not bad parents. And they have little squeaky toys in them, and the dogs pull them out.
Say hey, Reese the Beagle.
Pull it out. Get it out, Russell.
She's like, Reese.
Get it, Rusty, get it. Good boy. I got socks, like 12 pairs of socks.
Is it dripping water?
It is dripping water.
Inside the bag.
Inside the bag.
Thank you, United States Postal Service.
Thanks, Post Office. And my new scrub top is soaked. I'm gonna have to restart this episode and make it in the frame. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
And then this is pretty wet, but I don't think it's wet inside. Ooh. Those. I'm digging them.
Ooh, Ryder likes some.
Ryder, you like my shoes? Ooh, Reese likes the shoes too. So that was my rainy day mail haul, and that was our rainy day vlog. I'm gonna go watch some more Naked and Afraid. You gonna get up today? Huh? You ready to get up? Come on, Rye. Let's get up, come on. Wanna go get some food? Or a treat? Want some food? Come on. Let's get up. Nope, you wanna stay sleeping? Alright.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.